love creating things, I love building things, putting things together. I always thought that I had that creative mindset, but I was never able to bring it to reality. Before Dunwoody, I never touched a mill or a lathe. So for me to grab raw material and make it into something that has value was very rewarding. If you really think about it, everything that we encounter involves mechanical engineering. I'm able to look at something and understand how it works, know why it acts or reacts the way it does. For me, Dunwoody isn't just another school. To me, it's more like an opportunity to express who you are. You're able to build things and create things and let your thoughts spill out on drafting paper or a 3D printer. Dunwoody is supplying me with the knowledge to chase my dreams.
Ever since I was young, I always liked to tinker on stuff. I worked on snowmobiles, lawnmowers, my own car when I could drive. What surprised me most about learning in the automotive industry is just about how much there is to learn. There's always new technology coming out with vehicles. Dunwoody has the availability to get the cars here, to have stuff that we can actually work on. All of our instructors have been mechanics in the field at one time or another, and they've been recruited, which helps out a lot, especially in the automotive industry where everything is about asking questions. It's very rewarding to be able to take something that's not running and be able to diagnose that and fix it. Going to Dunwoody gives me the knowledge and some of the certification I need to further my knowledge to where I can become a journeyman or a master technician. Coming to Dunwoody and knowing what I wanted to do definitely put me a step ahead.
My senior year in high school, I decided to take a small engine class. I really fell in love with the dirt and oil that came with it. That's how I determined that I wanted to work with my hands. I just knew that I wanted to go to college and become something. I was terrified of welding. Well, the first time I ever got into the weld shop, we were drawing up symbols for our envelope holders. And they were like, yeah, now you gotta cut it out. I'm like, hold on, what? So we got to the plasma cutting, there was sparks everywhere, and I'm like, let's give this a go. I never built anything from scratch like that. But the instructors were always there. They're like, help me out. They treat you like you're out in the real world. All right, thanks, Ronnie. I'm the first person in my family to graduate from college. I always look back and reflect on my life. Some days I'm like, how did I get here? Like, you look back, you were just in high school, wondering how you're gonna get to college, and here you are about to receive your associate's degree in WMET.